When it gets proper hot outside, it can be a bit of a pain to ride around with your thick, warm motorcycle jacket that you might use in multiple seasons. And that's why it's good to have something that gets a bit of air under the jacket, such as a summer jacket. You could always go out without a motorcycle jacket, but that would mean that you would be unprotected in the case of an accident. Riding with a summer jacket will keep you protected, but also get the cool air right through your jacket, so that's ideal for the warm weather. I'm going to take you through the top 3 summer jackets of this moment. So let's kick off with the REV'IT Quantum 2 Air Jacket, a sporty jacket with a sporty fit. We're seeing some fluorescent yellow panels on the front and on the back, and also some reflection on the back, some laminated reflection. We can see here that the jacket has a nice design on the side with some lines that we're seeing in more REV'IT jackets nowadays. We can also see that they have used the TPU shoulder parts, and on the inside they've used the C-Flex protectors, which are the thin blue protectors which you can't really see or feel. They also use them in the jeans to up the flexibility of the product, and they're ideal for moving around. Very comfortable to wear. We're seeing 600D polyester mesh all around, which is ideal. It can withstand a fall, but it also has all the piercing so that all the air flows right through the jacket. Ideal for the hot weather, of course. Some pockets on the side, pocket on the inside, and apart from that, a very nice, pleasant jacket to look at with a sporty fit and a very cool character at €189.99 and available in a couple of different colours. Secondly, we have the Richa Airstorm WP, or waterproof as it would translate to. This jacket has a removable waterproof liner, which is ideal because if it gets really hot but it does start to rain, then you can still get home dry. Now the jacket is aimed at tour riders. We can see that already in the waterproof liner, but also in the reflection which has been placed on the front, on the side, on the top, and we're seeing some fluorescent panels, obviously for the visibility to other road users. It's ideal in this jacket that you can also open up the collar and hook it to one side so that you can let the air come in from the top. And apart from that, it's a very nice, comfortable jacket with a slim fit and a very comfortable interior. The jacket costs €229.99 and it's available in multiple colours. And last but not least, I would like to show you the Dainese Hydraflux 2 Air D-Dry jacket. Now, this jacket also features a waterproof liner, which of course is removable just like the Richa, except it has a higher level of waterproofing and it also has a more breathable function just like the Gore-Tex membrane. The overall finish of the jacket is looking fantastic. The fabric is very soft, very pleasant. It feels very premium, and just look at the letters on the front, the leather letters, and also on the side we have the Speed Demon logo in leather. 2 pockets on the front, 1 on the inside, some very subtle reflection on the back, and just generally a very nice jacket to look at. I really like it, especially in this colour. There are a couple of other colours available, and it also comes in a lady variant. This jacket costs €249. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if that is indeed the case, then please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or remarks, drop them in the comments box below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. And for now, I'd like to thank you for watching once again. Check out our website, fortomoto.com, for the best prices, worldwide shipping, of course, the best service, or head down to one of our stores to try them on in the flesh. Thank you. See you next time.